Hello viewers, I'm here before you to learn GST at ease. This is Chandrashekar, partner Shekar and Yathish, Chartered Accountants, Bangalore. We shall discuss the difference between composite and mixed supply. We shall understand a few business scenarios before we get into the concept of composite supply and mixed supply. Sale of an apartment where jewelry worth 50 grams is given free. Supply and installation of electrical gadgets, sale of material along with transportation, airline ticket with food, moisturizers free with the shampoo, accommodation with free breakfast, car sold with accessories, or car sold with a free driving classes. Keeping this in the backdrop, we shall understand what composite supply means. Composite supply is defined under section 2(30) of the CGST Act. Supply consists of two or more goods or two or more services or a combination of goods or services which are naturally bundled and supplied in conjunction with each other in the ordinary course of business, one of which is a principal supply. So here when we look at, there has to be a principal supply. In the illustration given in the section, where goods are packed and transported with insurance, the goods supply of goods, packing materials, transportation and insurance is a composite supply, and the supply of goods is a principal supply. Next, definition of mixed supply. Section 2(74) of the CGST Act defines what is mixed supply. Mixed supply means two or more individual supplies of goods or services or a combination thereof, made in conjunction with each other with a taxable person for a single price, where such supply does not constitute a composite supply. So an illustration has been given in the section which states a supply of a package consisting of canned food, sweets, chocolates, cakes, dry fruits, aerated drinks and fruit juices when supplied for a single price is a mixed supply. Each of these items can be supplied separately and is not dependent on each other. If it shall not be a mixed supply if these items are supplied separately. So to identify the composition of a composite supply and a mixed supply, we go through this table. So when it is naturally bundled, in a composite supply it's yes, and a mixed supply no. Supplied together, both the situations yes. Can be supplied separately, no and yes. One is predominant supply of receipts, yes, no. Other supply is not the aim in itself of the recipient, yes, no. Each supply can be priced separately, no, no. All the supplies are goods, yes, yes. All supplies are services, yes, yes. One supply is goods and the other one is services, yes, yes. There could be a combination of these as well. So the rate of taxes which is applicable for a composite supply. Composite supply comprises of two or more supplies, one which is a principal supply which shall be treated as a supply which should have a principal supply. So the rate applicable for the principal supply will be applicable for the entire composite supply. In mixed supply, which comprises of two or more supplies which shall be attracted for different rates of taxes, and the highest rate which is applicable in the commodities shall be applicable for the entire transaction as such. So this is the difference between composite supply and mixed supply. Thank you for this hearing this presentation on composite and mixed supply. For any clarifications, do mail across. Thank you.